Hello, welcome everyone to the channel. We are going to discuss question number 6 of Bit Magic Power of 2 from Geek for Geeks. Must do coding questions. Just have a quick look at the question and we'll be discussing the approach soon. Coming to the approach, let's find out the meaning of the question first. So in this question, what they're basically saying is there is a number given that could be any number. For example, let's take 8 and we have to find out whether it is a power of 2 or not. So by seeing directly, you can say 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay. Now you can see it directly, but how will you do by coding? That is simple, that we have to check by dividing 8 by 2 if the remainder is equal to 0 or not, right? What do I mean is, suppose 8 is the number. Now we have to divide it by 2. Okay. Now we get 4 here. 4 is the one which we are getting after dividing. Okay, the remainder of this will be 0. 8 by 2 is 4, but remainder is 0, and we will do this till we get 1 as a final answer. Okay, while doing this, if the remainder is not equal to 0, then we return false to the compiler. Again, divide 4 by 2. 0 is the remainder, but 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Again, 2 by 2 we do here. Again we divide. Now we got remainder as 0. Now the final answer here is 1. Okay, whenever 1 comes, we stop here. That means this is the final value we get after dividing by 2, and that means we have divided 3 times here. So if we had divided 3 times, then this power is also becomes 3 here. Okay, power is also equal to number of times we have divided, which is 3. So the remainder is 0 in these all cases. So this 8 number is the power of 2. Okay, now let's take another example. Let's take 10 here. Okay, the second example, 10. Okay, now in this 10, if we keep on dividing by 2, 10 by 2 we get what? 5. And remember, here we have to be careful of the remainder also while we are dividing at the same time. Okay, and this number will be constantly updated with the forward number. So 10 by 2 we got 5, but remainder is 0 here. This is a remainder. Okay, and the number on the top, this number is the quotient here. Okay, and we have to get this quotient every time, and we have to update it for. In this below case, we got 5, then 5 by 2. If you observe here, 5 by 2 is what? We get 2 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 is the highest number we can divide. So plus 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 which is a remainder here. So now remainder is 1 here. In this case, we can stop right here and say we got a remainder 1 here. So this is not the power of 2. It is not the power of 2. It is not power of 2. Okay. So this is an invalid case. If we get remainder 1 other than 0, if we get any remainder here, that means it is clearly not the power of 2. In this way, we can find out whether it is power of 2 or not. Let's go to the coding section and have a quick look at the code. And I hope you have understood the concept, what I mean. Now we are in the Geek for Geeks website. Here you can see that we are constantly dividing the two and keeping a reminder value in check always. While we are dividing, we are also keeping the check of the remainder. Here we are doing this till when n is not equal to 1. We will repeat this process till n becomes n becomes 1. Okay, we repeat this process. Okay, now here n modulus 2 means remainder. Here we are checking remainder is 0 or not. If it is 0, then there is no problem, then it won't go to the return case. But if it is not 0, then it will go to the return false case, and that will be output will be no in that case. Okay, in all other cases, wherever remainder is 0, it will continue through this line and it will update the n value. For example, this is a 8 here, 8 by 2, which is a 4 here. So n will become 4. Similarly, next time it will become 2, and last 1. Okay, it will continue till n becomes 1. After n becomes 1, it will return true, and that means the power is 2. It is a valid number which is a power of. With this, I conclude this question. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment below. And please don't forget to subscribe if you like. I hope you have enjoyed this. Thank you for watching till the end. Let's meet in the next question.